and welcome to the very first episode of Chai with Elsa. And basically, this series is about, a nice conversation that we can have, very raw, real, open. I have a lot to talk about. Okay, I'm a major consumer of YouTube content. Okay, I love when I can find people relatable. I love listening to them. I love taking in their bits of knowledge. Please ignore any cute baby sounds you might hear because my baby just woke up. He's being entertained by his own hands, so I don't think he needs me, but he might make some really cute sounds like that. So please don't mind that. Grab your chai, grab your matcha latte, grab your coffee, whatever. So if you're watching, you're probably someone who knows me already in real life, or you're coming from my Instagram page, you've seen my YouTube link and you're like, okay, who is this girl? So recently some of the videos that I've been posting have been getting some traction, and people have been clicking on that YouTube link to find the same reels on Instagram here. So I thought I'll be a little different. Okay, you want to know me, know who I am, know my story. So where is that video, Elsa? Where is it? So I think this could be that. So this could be like an intro video. So let's get started. Hi, my name is Elsa. If that isn't obvious, I'm on Elsa on IG, Elsa on YT. Is this where you're watching? And we have a lot to talk about because let's get acquainted. Okay, so as you might have guessed, maybe from my name or how I look like or how I talk, I'm a Malayali. I was born and brought up in Kerala, and I'm from this beautiful little town called Trivandrum. The funniest thing is I was making content for people back at home to see that how beautiful, how different, how nice it is to live in a place like UP. My content is mostly consumed by people from here only, and I guess it's because they're curious to know what a perspective of a South Indian is like living here. Even if I have like one view or two views, I'll take it because I don't know why anyone would want to watch me rant. But this process of creating something and putting something out there that I made, here's my video, guys, just do what you want with it. It's out there in the world, and I think that process is really healing. It's really healing for me, I guess. So if you're watching, can you please drop an introduction about yourself also in the comments, so I can know more about you as well. And it's not just one-sided. It doesn't feel one-sided. I don't even know how many people are going to watch this, but like I feel like it'll be so nice to interact with people who want to see me talk. So since I was 18, first for the next 4 years I lived in Pune, and then I lived in Kochi, I lived in Gurgaon, I lived in Noida. I've lived in so many different cities. I've even been to, I've traveled to a lot of places in India as well, and I've learned so much. And I would love to share that with people. That's my main purpose here. So my eyes have been really open to like different cultures, different languages, just different mindsets also. I've always felt like us in Kerala, we have a very different mindset compared to even someone from Tamil Nadu, right? So I've always found that very fascinating, and I love listening and thinking and understanding about people from there. So I feel like I'm a mix of all these things as a person, but obviously at the end of the day an Indian. So we'll talk about life, about basic stuff. I'll take you along when I do my simple chores, or when I'm creating something, or like making a painting, like whatever, right? Like that's the beauty of the internet, that's the beauty of vlogging. I have a small little baby. He's only 3 months old. That means I gave birth 3 months ago, which has not been easy. My body, my brain, my everything, right, has been taken for a crazy ride. I would love to talk about that as well, because these journeys, these stories, when you know, when they are talked about, and more people listen to it and people find it relatable, the sense of community is there, right? I can't wait to share so many things with all of you, and I'm so thankful and grateful that you watched till the end. And if you're here and if you're still here, I'm so excited. Yay. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.